This is Spiritual Balboa. I'd like to talk about alchemy. In alchemy, in the term in the Hermetics in the Egyptian times, it's called turning something into from lead into gold, something undesirable to desirable. You know, and so see, alchemy. You must first uh, know you have a problem and point out the problem before you solve the problem and not avoid it, because it's better to see the problem and get to where you can actually, look at the problem without it horrifying you. And what you do with that is you look at it without no emotions, and it's better to do that when you're on center attention because you're not emotional anyway, and it cancels them out. I don't know why that is. You can, there's so many scientific definitions of it, but that's true. And number two, you analyze it. You see the horrific event and you act as if you're the second person looking at yourself first person in the situation. How it affected you, how it needs to affect you, how um, you're going to take from it, because you never get rid of it. You can only transmute it. It's always going to be a memory. So, and then you learn something from it, and you take something from it. And you milk the situation for what it's worth, and you keep over and over doing it again until you're okay. And that's alchemy. That's partially alchemy. And another way to do it, so many ways to do it. If you've had a hard life, what was hard to you isn't, what is harder to others, or what's not, hard to them is easy to you, because you already put this says in the book of the samurai, when you solve the situation firsthand in your mind, when it happens, you won't be perplexed and you will still get the same soaking. It's called, lesson from a rainstorm, I think. Um, so that's how you do it. There's so many ways to do it. There's not just one way. That's like two ways I do it. And number three, just focus in the moment and cancel out the event with another thought. That's a good way to get it out your way in the moment. So that's all I got to say. This is Spiritual Balboa. Talked about alchemy. And I hope you learned something from this. Thank you.